In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable Insycle data management integration with HubSpot, step by step. If you want to clean, transform, deduplicate, or standardize your HubSpot CRM data using Insycle, this integration is the first and most important step. I'll walk you through creating your account, connecting HubSpot securely, and confirming everything is working properly. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important permissions. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. The first step is to sign up for an Insycle account. Open your browser and go to insycle.com. Once you're on the home page, click on the option to get started. You'll see different plans available, and you can choose the one that fits your needs. If a free trial is available, you can start with that to test everything out before committing. Go ahead and create your login by entering your details and setting up your account credentials. Once your account is created, log in to access your Insycle dashboard. Now that you're inside Insycle, the next step is to start the integration process. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Data Management section. Click on it to open the available tools. Insycle offers different operations, such as transform data, cleanse data, deduplication tools, and other CRM management features. You can choose any operation depending on what you plan to do with your HubSpot data. The integration with HubSpot will be prompted as soon as you begin working within these modules if you haven't connected your account yet. Next, we need to authorize HubSpot access. When you select a data management function, Insycle will prompt you to connect your HubSpot account if it's not already linked. Click on the Connect button. If you're not currently logged into HubSpot in your browser, you'll be asked to sign in. Make sure you log in with the correct HubSpot account that has admin or appropriate permissions for integrations. After signing in, HubSpot will display a permission screen. This is very important. Insycle will request access to your CRM data, including contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects. It will also request access to CRM properties as well as activities and engagement records. These permissions are necessary for Insycle to properly analyze, clean, and manage your data inside HubSpot. Carefully review the permissions listed on the screen. Once you're ready, click Allow to authorize the integration. After you click Allow, HubSpot will complete the authorization and redirect you back to Insycle. At this point, the systems are securely connected using HubSpot's official OAuth authorization process, so you don't need to manually generate API keys or handle any complex technical setup. Now let's confirm that the connection was successful. Once redirected back to Insycle, you should see confirmation details inside the dashboard. This typically includes your HubSpot portal ID, the linked CRM objects such as contacts and companies, and the current sync status. If everything is connected properly, the sync status should indicate that the connection is active. You can now begin running data management operations like transforming fields, cleaning inconsistencies, merging duplicates, or standardizing records across your CRM. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Insycle data management integration with HubSpot. From here, you can confidently manage and optimize your CRM data with much more control and automation. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials on HubSpot, CRM tools, and data automation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.